I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning warped photo effect in Canva in 2025, even if you've never edited photos before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload a photo, apply black and white filters, use the warp brush for creative effects, and download your final image ready to share or sell. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Canva account. On the home page, click Create and choose any canvas size you want. Once your blank canvas loads, go to Uploads and drag your photo onto the canvas. Adjust it so it fits the entire canvas perfectly. Next, duplicate your photo. To do that, right-click and select Duplicate, or just use the shortcut Ctrl+D. Align it to the canvas. With the photo selected, click Edit, and a panel will appear. Scroll to the Filters section, click See All, and find the monogroup where all black and white filters are collected. Choose the filter called Slate to give your photo a clean, monochrome look. Now it's time to get creative. On the left-hand panel, go to Apps, and in the search bar type Warp Brush. Open the app and select the warping brush. Set the brush size to 150, then start warping your photo from right to left. Keep adjusting until you achieve the effect you like. Once satisfied, click Save. Finally, head over to Share, then Download, and select PNG as your file type. Your warped, black and white photo is now ready to use for social media, digital products, or personal projects. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to upload a photo, apply a stylish black and white filter, use the warp brush for creative effects, and download your final image in Canva. Keep experimenting with different photos, and don't forget to check out our free 20-minute masterclass for even more Canva tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly strategies. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.